Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set up your sale taxes inside the QBO. So once you logged in into the QBO, so all you need is to just go on the left hand side. There's a tab called taxes. In the taxes you just click on sales taxes, and once you click on sale taxes it will bring you to the sale tax center. And here you can see that to get started you just click on get started to set up your sale taxes. And here you just update your business address and click next. And here you can choose your official agency. Let's say our official agency is California department, and the official agency name is California. And here you can see that here you can review your rates. So let's say California is 8% and AZ sales tax is 7.1, and so on. And here you just click on continue. Click continue. So this is a animated video that QuickBooks shows you how you can choose your sale taxes. So click on continue. File and pay taxes, view sale taxes center. So how often do you file your sale taxes? Let's say we wanna file our sale taxes quarterly. Click on next agency. For next, let's say we wanna do monthly, and let's say the last one we wanna select yearly. Here you can see that these are all our sale tax files. This is the amount that we pay to the government, and this is the amount that we have to pay to the government. And if you click on more detail it will show you the taxable sale, non-taxable sale, gross sale adjustment, and sale tax owed. The total amount that we have to pay to the government is 139.02. So that's how you can set up your sale taxes inside the QBO. So I hope you have enjoyed this video a lot. I'll be seeing you in the next video. For now, bye bye.